जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th चैप्टर कर्म संन्यास योगम 10th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा गिविंग हिज टीचिंग्स टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस इंक्लूडिंग अर्जुन। कृष्ण परमात्मा सेइंग दैट अर्जुना, lotus leaf, if you sprinkle some water on that lotus leaf, this water cannot wet the lotus leaf. That is how you should be. That is how you should not be tainted by any sin, though you are in this body, though you are in this world which is filled up with objects. How can you do that? Arjuna, your body is equipped with so many senses. Senses are nothing but a transformation of Prakriti. Here, Prakriti is regarded as, is called as Brahma. So, these senses are performing actions. So, who is the doer of all the actions? Prakriti is the doer of all the actions. Then, when some actions are done, there comes some fruits. Those fruits also belongs to the Prakriti. This is how give the doership to Prakriti. Give the fruits to Prakriti. And engage your mind and buddhi with Atma. This is how now, even if you keep performing all your duties and actions, you will not be tainted by any sin. Arjuna, not only that, having a feeling that body is Atma, having a thought that body itself is Atma, this feeling, this thought itself is sin. Now, you will not be tainted by this sin also. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma helping us understand how to give the doership to the senses and how to renunciate the fruits of the actions and how to be not tainted by any sin. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Brahmanyadhaya karmani sangam tyaktva karoti yaha lipyate nasa papena padmapatram ivambhasa. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma, explaining and describing Srimannarayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Paramatma came down as Vyasa Maharshi. As the days were changing because of the effect of rapid change, O Narada, all the people started losing their memory power. All the people started losing their understanding ability. Kalena milita dhiyam. Their intellect, their understanding ability started getting weak. Not only that, for Narada, people's age, their life also getting so low. Stokayusham, their ayush also decreasing. So that is why Paramatma thought these people would not be able to understand the essence of Vedas and these people would not be able to grasp the entire Veda. So Paramatma thought, according to the nature of that particular yugam, Paramatma felt it is better to divide Vedas into few branches. Susasvatamulunaina Vedataru Sakhalu Vibhajinchi Sannutudu Parasara Priyatanu Juduna Hari Putten. Paramatma himself Avirhitaha Saha Satyavatyam. To Satyavati, Paramatma himself born as Vyasa to divide the Vedic literature, the entire treasure of Veda, Vedadrumam Vitapasaha Vibhajishyati Sma. That is a wish-fulfilling tree. Such great wish-fulfilling tree is Veda, Kalpataru. That Kalpataru should be divided into branches. In order to do that, Paramatma came down as Vyasa and divided that Veda into few shakhas, few branches, and gave to the entire humanity. That is how Chaturmukha Brahma explained Vyasavataram to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Vyamoha Prasamaushadham Munimanovrutti Pravrutyaushadham Daityendrartikaraushadham Tribhuvani Sanjeevanaikaushadham Bhaktatyanta Hitaushadham Bhavabhaya Pradvamsanaikaushadham Shreyah Prapti Karaushadham Piba Manaha Shri Krishna Divyaushadham. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasitravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 10th sloka. Brahmanyadhaya karmani sangam tyaktva karoti yaha lipyate na sapapena padmapatram iva ambhasa. Brahmanyadhaya karmani sangam tyaktva karoti yaha lipyate na sapapena padmapatram iva ambhasa. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.